Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. There we go. Any more? There's more. Oh, look at this. We're going to make a whole kind of fun, let's see, artistic deal there. Let's make that one there. And we'll put this up here. And this one will go right here. There's more of it. Oh, this is cool. All right, so let's do this. Like that. And is that it? Oh, there's one more piece. Let's see. Let's make it up here. We'll just keep climbing with it. There it is. All right. I think that might be it. Okay, I'll add to it if we get more. But there it is. A little piece of artwork now. Okay. Now we have, if you remember the Volkswagen Bug, that was a very popular car. They made millions of those things. They're all over the place. But in the 60s, I think it was, they decided they wanted to have something for the sand on the beach and all that. So they created the Baja Bug. Well, this one looks like it's a four-wheel drive Bug, just like that. It is a four-wheel drive toy Volkswagen Beetle. All right. We have what looks like part of a Redstone Federal Credit Union pen. Let's see if it works here. Hold on, I've got my sticker from... it does have ink in it, so it will work. So there's a pen. Maybe this will be a pen holder. No. All right. Now, what else do we have here? We have... Oh, this is pretty cool. It is a bull tractor. It is a bull tractor. We're going to see what it does. Wait, hold on. Hold on. This is a wind-up toy. It's a bull brand tractor. Here we go. Nice. Hey, that goes a long way. Ready, stop.